Hello everyone, so today we'll talk about Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. Let's get started. So first of all, we'll talk about this phone body. This phone body weight is 226 gram, glass front aluminum frame and silicon polymer back. Display is 6.80 inch LTPO OLED 1B colors, HDR 120Hz refresh rate and display resolution is 1260 x 2844 pixel. Aspect ratio 20.3:9. Cheapest screen 9010 7nm. Memory 256GB with 16GB RAM and 512GB 16GB RAM. OS Harmony OS 4.2. Rear camera is 50 megapixel with 1.6 aperture, telephoto lens 50 megapixel with 2.1 aperture and ultra wide angle 40 megapixel with 2.2 aperture. Front camera is 13 megapixel with 2.4 aperture. Video capture. Rear camera can capture 4K with 60 fps, front camera can capture 4K with 60 fps. This phone battery is 5200 mAh battery with 100 watt wired charging system. Connectivity 5G, dual SIM, Wi-Fi 6, NFC, fingerprint reader and good sound system. So overall, this phone is nice. So that was the video for today and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.